Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and I still have not finished that video with trying out the face emojis for the first time, and yeah, I don't know when I'll finish it, but hopefully it'll be soon, because I really want to finish that. And as you can see, you can no longer see my face at the top right corner. That's because I've officially gotten rid of face cam. I don't know if it's temporary or permanent, but I've officially gotten rid of it. Anyways, let's go! Crap. Okay, let's go! Oh my god, I almost died. Oh my god. Gosh, that music is so freaking annoying. Okay, there we go. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. No, it was right there! No. No! This is what I get from recording this. Yes! Finally! Oh, it's a Valentine's Day! And today is, in fact, Valentine's Day, so it just makes it 10 times better. Am I right? Okay, turn that video off. Turn that video off! Get off here. Get out, get out, get out. Oh, is this Minecraft? Yeah, this is Minecraft. I can tell. What the heck is this? What is this? Oh god. This level is not my favorite, and it looks pretty hard, if you ask me. Among Us! Ah, the Among Us one is hard. I actually really need to focus. I just hit my hand on one of my soda cans. Oh god. Oh god. Oh yeah, I'm a very clean person. my room can tend to get messy. Yeah, you know I'm not a clean person. I don't know. I hope you guys know I'm not a very clean person at all. Yes. Oh, it froze there for a second. Ah. Okay, that was the weirdest sound I've ever frickin' made. I keep saying frickin'. Frickin', frickin', frickin'. Frickin', frickin', frickin'. Oh god. No, I was right there! Frick, frick, frick. Frickin', frickin', frickin'. Okay. Oh, yeah! Okay, I'm so sorry for all the weird sound effects I've made in this video. Okay, frick, frick, frick. Oh! I don't want to talk about it. Oh my god. Ah! Yeah, so if the, what the heck? Did I just finish it? Oh no. I was like, oh my god, did I just finish this? Oh no. This is so freaking hard. Ah! Frick. Oh, crap, crap, crap. How many times do I say crap in my videos, guys? You gotta let me know. No! 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 I was right some of my previous videos, I'm gonna cut out any raging that I do in this video. Like if I start raging, I'm gonna cut it out because I might, as I said, my raging is, as I said previously, my raging is not great. It's kind of, I scream at my raging. I hope you know I scream. I scream a lot, and it's kind of weird if you want to hear me. Oh no! Ah! Oh crap! Please don't die! Please don't die! Please don't die! Please don't die! Don't die! Yes. Let's go! Oh no! This could be the last video with no face emojis, whatever. Oh yeah, right, cause you can just see anyone anywhere you are. I just realized that. Cause I'm the only one on 83, so I was like, but it says I'm the only one on 83, and there's a lot of people here. And then I remember that you just see everyone wherever you are. Crap, crap, crappity crap, crap. That was the weirdest joke I've ever made. Literally the weirdest. Oh no! Oh no! No! You can't go on the edge! That's not fair! That is not fair! That is not fair! That is so not fair! This is like the hardest level I'd had to experience. No! This is so hard! You literally can't touch anything. This is the hardest state level ever. Yeah. Oh no. This is not a good level. I hate it. Oh no. Not. No, I'm the only one on 86 and people are just going right through the balls. Hilarious. Frick, I froze. There we go. These look like nerds. Did y'all see that? Oh, no. Isn't this just great? Isn't this just great? Isn't this just great? Isn't this just great? Yeah, I told you guys Facecam would die down, and I was right. Facecam did die down. Every time I tried to bring back Facecam, it would die down immediately. Oh my god. But yeah, every time I did promise to try and bring back Facecam. It didn't really work, and it kind of freaking ad. I hate these ads. Get off my screen! Oh, crap. 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 Yeah. Okay. This level seems pretty easy. It's just, you just go straight down. Oh, crap, dude. Oh my god. Oh, crap. Crap, 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 crap. I made it! Oh, these are just burgers and hot dogs. I had a burger yesterday. I don't know if any of y'all really care. I don't know if any of y'all care. What? That is so awesome! I'm the only freaking one on 92. Are you kidding me? Everyone else is on like 84, 74, freaking dying. Oh, you see, this is the one where they have to put the arrow in the, ah! So this is just the one where you have to, like, point the, where the arrow is pointing, where you have to actually land. Yeah! Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, no. Yeah, every time I brought back Facecam, it would die down, so, like, yeah. I don't know if I'm ever gonna do Facecam again, because it would probably die down after, like, 2 weeks or so. Well, actually, Facecam now died down after, like, a few months. My game froze. There we go. Enid Sinclair from Wednesday! I finished that show a few weeks ago. My pizza, it's making me hungry. It's making me hungry. Crap. No. Yeah, finally. Oh God. Oh, isn't this just disgusting? Isn't this just great? It's terrible, okay? It's terrible. Look at this level, how hard it is. Yes. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Isn't this just great? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Rabbit hole. Look at that. Complete rabbit hole, and I just died again! In the gaming video. Oh my God. This is just great. I keep getting crushed by the rabbits! Did I make it? My game froze. That might mean I make it. Yes! Yes! Oh, no! Oh, no! I do not like this hobby. Actually, I love this game, but, I lied there. Crap. Are you serious right now? Oh my God, I'm like literally falling. Jeez, why does the game keep freezing on me? It happens every time I record, and I don't have a lot of time left to record, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!